Additional visualization options. At the top right edge of the screen are 3 buttons. A tap on the button in the middle opens a small menu showing the options to activate or deactivate the visualization of the occlusal force distribution. This represents the occlusal pressure distribution by the sensor zones. If one or both menu options are activated, the visualization is only displayed in the 2D view. The Show Force Distribution in % option shows 12 percentage numbers for the 12 zones of the sensor. These zones are indicated by the blue lines around the sensor. The Show Quartered Force Distribution option shows a circle with 4 quarters in the background of the sensor diagram. The color of each quarter is a gradient ranging from green to yellow to red and shows the difference of the pressure between the quarters.